Is your IELTS test date approaching? Do you feel anxious and not ready for the test? Beat your exam anxiety and increase your confidence with these super effective IELTS preparation tools from IDP. Prepare smart for your test with these IELTS workshops. IELTS Masterclass, free 2 hours, available as a face-to-face workshop. Countdown to IELTS, strategies for success, tips and quizzes, free 3 hours, available as a face-to-face workshop and an online webinar. IELTS Focus workshops, interactive workshops up to 22 hours, cover the 4 test components. All these workshops are designed to help you understand your test requirements, get expert tips, and learn about essential skills and the mistakes to avoid in your test. Want more flexible options? Try these online prep tools. IELTS Master by Macquarie University. Get 30 days of free access to detailed lessons, tips, and full practice tests with answers. IELTS Assist, reading, writing, and speaking. Let the expert review your answers and tell you how to improve your weak points and enhance your test performance. Still have questions about your test? Ask the IDP IELTS expert at the 1-hour live session on our Facebook page, facebook.com/IELTS IDP. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. Download more IELTS practice tests with key answers on our website. Be better prepared for your IELTS test with IDP.